Hello everyone, welcome to Ruth's Straight Talk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and develop into the awesome human beings that you're designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth, and in this video I will share with you how and when your baby is able to learn how to read. I will also give you practical tips on how to make your home an active place of learning, especially reading. And at the end of this video, I would give you another bonus strategy to help your reading students. So if this is the video for you, let's get right to it. So can babies really learn to read? Intelligence is defined as the ability to learn. In such a case, babies are geniuses. They absorb language from birth onward effortlessly. The baby quickly starts to understand words. They understand words orally. They also understand words visually. The baby will absorb words as long as you present it in a way that it's appropriate for their brain growth and their development. So how does your baby learn to read or learn to understand words? First of all, the child needs to experience those words in as many capacities as they can. They can learn to see it, taste it, smell it, use all of the 5 senses as they absorb the words. You will find that the children who are offered these different dimensions of words become great readers. The first strategy is to sing poems to and with your child. Teaching them poems or using technology to teach them songs will help your child recognize various phonetic devices and syllables. They will help them in the long run when they are learning to read. The next strategy is using picture cards. Children have exceptional memory, and research suggests that the younger the person is, the easier it is for them to learn new skills such as reading and learning in a new language. Making picture cards of things that the child sees on a daily basis will be embedded in their memory, and they will not only use their vocals, even if they can't pronounce the words just yet, but they will use their vocals, they will use their auditory skills and their visual skills in this learning activity. Your baby's immediate surrounding has the most impact on their development. So surround your baby with print-rich materials. Point out everyday things, ask them questions to stimulate their curiosity. Help them recognize sounds, help them recognize colors. Touching and the texture of things will help improve their literacy development. A fourth reading strategy that you can present to your child are impromptu lessons. Randomly asking the child about different animal sounds. If the baby is not yet able to speak, show him or her pictures of different animals and what they sound like. Show them colors. Simple games like I Spy and Peekaboo with animals or with different objects helps your child begin to identify objects that are not even part of their environment just yet. The fifth strategy would be playing word games. Playing word games with your baby as they begin to develop vocabulary will help them develop reading comprehension and fluency. For example, you could play games like finishing the sentence, even if finishing the sentence means only one word. As they practice these word games, their vocabulary will be broadened and they will become very good readers in the future. The bonus strategy for this video is called the family photo game and can be used with babies as young as 2 years old. This game is intended to improve your child's memory. Here's what you need to do. You'll need about 10 or more family photos. Arrange the photos in front of your child and call out the names of the family member, and your child should be able to identify them in the photo and point them out. You can also name locations with your child to point out where that picture was taken. Also, you may use many different types of pictures of objects around the house that your child is familiar with and play that game over and over again. As intended, the child's memory will be increased every time you play this game. So there you have it, 5 strategies to help your newborn baby become avid learners and great readers. If this video has value for you, please like us at the bottom of the screen, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get notifications when I post new videos. Also, I would love to hear from you. Have you had experiences teaching your baby to read or teaching your baby learning strategies? I'd love for you to share it with us. We would love to hear from you, and I would certainly appreciate any comments that you have regarding this video today. Also, if there are videos that you would like me to research, I will be more than happy to do that. Leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for spending time with us today. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.